Hi everyone, you're watching this video because SEOSpace's plugin is not picking up changes that you've made on your web page. So in this video, I'm going to help you troubleshoot this issue to get your score updated. Now, just to show you a little bit of a demo here, I'm going to be working on a website where I need to make some changes to improve the score. Now, if you're facing a problem with your SEO title, a broken link, or images on your Squarespace website, we actually have dedicated videos to those issues because they're actually little quirks with the Squarespace platform. It's not actually a bug of SEO space. There's specific things that you need to be aware with Squarespace, which is why we've got dedicated videos walking you through SEO title issues, broken link issues, and image issues. I'll add them in the description if you want to just head straight over to those to fix your specific issue. But if not, stay here because I'll show you how to get SEOSpace to pick up the changes. So just heading over to this page, all I'm going to do is fix a couple of the issues. For example, I need to use the primary keyword in the first 100 words. So I'm just going to make some optimizations. And once I fix the number of these, I'll show you how to get the changes to be picked up. So I've just finished off making some improvements to this web page in order to improve the score. Now, once you've actually made changes on the Squarespace editor, it's super important to press save. Once you've done this, as you'll see, you may get flagged that you need to rescan the page. And that is the most important thing. Whenever you make changes on a Squarespace web page, you always need to make sure you rescan. Because if you close the plugin and then reopen it, for example, this is actually going to show you your previous scan results. So it's not going to show you the updated scan results. It's going to show you the previous scan results from before you made the changes, unless, of course, you've rescanned. So from here, what I'll need to do is press rescan and then either rescan with a keyword or without a keyword, depending upon what you've done. Press rescan, and as you'll see, it will close the editor and it will rescan the web page. And again, you shouldn't close the plugin. You need to wait for it to finish rescanning completely in order to pick up all of the changes that you've made. So as you can see here, it's picked up the changes and our score is now 10% better. We've got a score of 95 out of 100, which is great. Now, if it's still not picking up the changes that you've made, even after completing a rescan, all you really need to do is press refresh. Sometimes there can be some cache data. Sometimes Squarespace itself doesn't fully update everything. So all you need to do is refresh the page, open the plugin again, and then complete a new rescan in order for it to pick up the changes that you've made. Now, if you've made the changes in the Squarespace editor and you're scanning from the live web page, you need to make sure that you actually refresh the page before you rescan, because the changes that you've made on the editor will not be reflected on the live web page until you actually refresh the page. That's then going to reflect the changes you've made on the editor. And then from there, open the plugin and complete a rescan. So in general, 95% of the issues can be solved by rescanning the plugin or refreshing the web page and then rescanning the plugin. Outside of that, we've also got specific issues covering SEO titles, broken links, and images. If you've compressed your images and SEOSpace isn't picking up the new size that you've uploaded. But of course, sometimes there are other issues that might need a little bit more troubleshooting. So feel free to reach out to the SEOSpace team with the web page that you're scanning and the specific issue that you're facing, and we'll be more than happy to help. Because sometimes SEO isn't straightforward and there's millions of variations of Squarespace web pages that might need to be considered. So we're more than happy to help. So just head over to SEOSpace's support if that's the case. Hopefully this video has been helpful and I'll see you in the next video.